Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Unreal English, your cozy little corner of YouTube where learning English actually feels fun.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here with us again. Thank you for watching, thank you for learning, and thank you for being part of this community.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. And before we start, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It helps us so much. And it tells YouTube, hey, show this to more English learners.
Exactly. Today, we're talking about a super useful topic, how to talk about your job in English. This is something everyone needs.
Yes, in conversations, people ask about jobs all the time. What do you do? Where do you work? What is your job like?
So today, you will learn simple sentences to describe your job, your workplace, your daily routine, your responsibilities, and even the good and difficult parts of your job.
And like always, we're going to do it through a natural, friendly conversation. So relax, grab a drink, and enjoy listening.
So, Alex, how are you today?
I am okay. A little tired, actually.
Tired? Why? What happened?
My morning started at 5 a.m. Not because I wanted to be productive, because my cat, Buster, decided to scream for food like he was dying.
Buster is dramatic.
Dramatic is an understatement. He is an orange cat. That explains everything.
Orange cats are always a little unhinged.
Exactly. He ran around, meowed in my face, jumped on my stomach. So yeah, no peaceful morning for me.
Aw, poor you. Did you sleep at least a little?
Not really, but it's fine. What about you? Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept like a baby. I drank warm tea and read a book before bed, so I was super relaxed.
I want your life.
You can have it when Buster gets therapy.
Facts.
Okay, enough about our chaotic mornings. Today's topic, talking about your job.
It's one of the most important topics in English. You need it at work, at school, when meeting new people, in interviews, everywhere.
So let's start with a simple question. What do you do?
Or, what is your job?
And today, we'll answer those questions and show you how to continue the conversation naturally. All right, Alex, what do you do?
I am a graphic designer.
Ooh, fancy. And what does a graphic designer actually do?
I make visual things on the computer. Logos, posters, website designs, social media images. Basically, anything that needs to look nice, I create it.
And what is a logo?
A logo is a simple picture or symbol that represents a company, like Nike's swoosh or Apple's apple.
Cool. And do you like your job?
I really love it. It's creative, colorful, and different every day. But sometimes it's challenging because clients change their minds every 2 seconds.
Clients. Can you change the color? You changes color. Actually, the first color was better.
Exactly. Every designer knows this pain.
Okay, your turn. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to children, usually between ages 6 and 10.
Oh, wow. That must be a loud job.
Very loud. Kids have unlimited energy, more energy than the sun.
But do you enjoy it?
I love it. It's rewarding. When a child learns a new word and looks proud, that feeling is amazing.
Oh, wholesome.
So, Alex, where do you work?
I work from home. My office is in my apartment.
Do you like working from home?
Mostly, yes. It's comfortable, I can wear pajamas, eat snacks, talk to Buster, but sometimes it gets lonely. No coworkers around.
Yeah, that can be tough. I work in a small language school near my house. It's really convenient, only a 10-minute walk.
That sounds perfect. No traffic, no stress.
Exactly. Plus, I get some fresh air in the morning. My workday starts at 8:15. I prepare my books, markers, and lesson materials. The kids arrive at 8:30. First, we say hello. Then we sing a good morning song. Then we learn new vocabulary. For example, food words: apple, banana, bread, milk. After that, we play a vocabulary game. Then the kids have a short break. They run, they play, they eat snacks, they scream, everything. After the break, we read a short story together. And finally, we do a little writing before saying goodbye.
That is a full, busy day. No wonder you're tired at night.
Yes, after work, I usually go to a cafe or walk in the park to relax.
My day starts around 9 a.m. I check my emails, drink coffee, and look at my task list. Then I draw ideas, talk to clients, fix designs, and complete projects. Every Monday morning, we have a team meeting online. One coworker, Ben, talks a lot, so sometimes the meeting takes forever.
But he's funny, so it's fine.
Yes, he keeps us entertained.
Let's talk about the best part of your job.
The best part is creating something from nothing. I love the creative process.
And the hardest part?
Clients changing their minds every 2 seconds. Also, staring at a screen all day hurts my eyes.
Understandable.
What about you?
Best part? The children. Their joy, their curiosity. Worst part? When they cry. I hate seeing kids sad.
Yeah, that's heartbreaking.
Do you work on weekends?
Sometimes I prepare lessons for the next week.
So you work on Sunday too?
Yes, but only for a few hours.
Respect. You're committed.
Do you work weekends?
No, weekends are for rest. Cleaning on Saturday, relaxing on Sunday.
Did you always want to be a graphic designer?
Not at all. As a kid, I wanted to be a pilot. I wanted to fly airplanes and travel the world.
Oh, baby Alex in a pilot uniform.
Yeah, but then I discovered art and drawing, and everything changed.
I always wanted to be a teacher. When I was little, I used to play school with my toys. They were my students.
Your toys probably spoke better English than me.
Probably.
Right now, I'm working on a logo for a coffee shop called The Happy Bean.
Cute name. What does the logo look like?
It's a smiling coffee cup. The client wants it brown, but I might add orange to give it some life.
Great choice. Orange is warm and friendly. In my classroom, there's a big world map. Colorful posters, shelves with books, toys, and a giant whiteboard.
Kids must love the map.
They do. They point at countries and ask, "Teacher, what is this?"
Cute overload.
Let's review some key words from today. Client. A person or company that pays you for your work. Rewarding. Something that makes you feel good and happy. Coworker. Someone you work with. Convenient. Easy, comfortable, saves time. Skills. Things you can do well. Routine. Activities you do regularly. Project. A specific piece of work. Responsibility. Something you must do. Your duty.
Great job remembering these.
We talked about many things today. Daily routines, workplaces, feelings, responsibilities, childhood dreams, coworkers, and more.
Now it's your turn. Question of the day.
What is your job or dream job? Write your answer in the comments.
And if you want us to make a video about your job or your English problem, tell us.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's learning English.
You're doing amazing. Keep practicing, keep improving.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.